G'day, mate.
Yes, that's it. Have a look at this in the Baltimore Harbor. What a beautiful area this is. Werner and I are down in the Inner Harbor of Baltimore, Maryland. Look what we've come across, this enormous Coast Guard number 37 ship. I'm just hand filming, so I apologise if it's a little bit bumpy. But this is a massive, massive thing. Look at this. And as we are aware in Australia, the Coast Guard is a bit like our Navy, who will go out and search for people who have gone missing at sea, protect the borders of Australia, and just like over here, they do it here. So how cool is this? There's one of the lifeboats there, TAN-1. Or perhaps that's one of the boats that they launch when they go and rescue someone, I don't know. This is incredible. So not every day you get to see a US Coast Guard ship, but there we are. How awesome is that? Hey everyone, it's Drew from Drew's Adventures, and I'm here with Werner from Werner's Adventures, and I'm here with Kayla, is that right, Kayla, and Amanda and their kids here, and yeah, what questions did you have for us from Australia?
How hot is it?
It's hot like this, but even hotter, man, even a bit hotter, yeah, even a bit hotter, yeah. You can ask anything, yeah.
Have you seen ghosts in some abandoned buildings?
Yeah, actually Werner has, yeah. I haven't yet, but I have seen a ghost on the road in Australia. Yeah, it's a very good question.
I've seen ghosts.
Really? Yep. Wow. Yeah, yeah. You've got a spiritual sense, I can tell, mate. Yeah, he has. Yeah, that's so cool. Yeah, awesome. Yeah. Have you guys ever seen a koala in a zoo or anything like that, or? Yeah, fluffy, yeah, yeah, there you go, we're all, yeah, awesome, yeah, yeah, oh you'd love it.
I always say it's like a,
yeah,
it's like what is it? I want to travel.
Yeah, you should, yeah, you
eventually
totally should, yeah, so,
absolutely.
yeah, no, that's cool. And so you guys are from Pennsylvania, right? Yeah,
yeah.
And so Gettysburg, like what do you sort of like, do you like, is there a lot of active like spiritual sort of history? Is there a lot of stuff that gives you guys the freaks at night, or even in the day? Yeah, really? Wow, yeah, yep, gotcha. Yeah, occupied. Yeah, wow.
I mean, we used to live outside of Gettysburg, but
Yeah.
more in town life.
Sure.
It's the
Yep.
first time in the
Yep.
last few years that we've
Sure.
experienced
Yeah, wow.
hearing things. So,
Wow.
but
And what do you hear? Is it like an old voice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The first time we were there, me and Jonah were there,
Yeah.
and we were moving boxes in, and he just put his box of toys upstairs.
Sure. Yeah.
And he asked to go upstairs and grab a train and come
Yeah.
downstairs, and he got my attention. He's like, Amanda, someone just said shh.
Oh, wow. No
I said, maybe it was
way.
your train. And
Yeah.
he's like, there's no batteries in my train.
Oh, no way.
And I was like, well,
Yeah.
maybe it was the wind. And he's like,
Yeah.
no, the windows are open.
No, yeah.
I was like,
Yeah.
okay, well,
There you go.
yeah,
Oh, cool.
Just
Yeah.
think, guys, they can't hurt you.
exactly.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right.
No,
Yeah.
we've come to be
Exactly.
really fond of this.
Yeah.
You know, we're not.
No,
but
that's
once
cool.
we started hearing it too, then we're like,
Yeah.
all right, Joe.
Yeah, yeah,
Let's
that's
do
great.
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
But no, a lot
Yeah.
of people come to visit. We're so used to the tourists.
Yes.
And, a
Yeah.
lot of ghost tours. Oh
Yeah.
My gosh. And
Oh,
they're
yeah.
really cool. Good history, good ghost tours.
That's
so.
Drew.
Yeah, that's me. That's me, mate. There's lots of animals
So
on my
that
videos
part,
as well. So
that
Australian
part there,
animals.
That's our,
Yeah, that's
Uh,
our native
the
Australian
native- is it
flower.
the native
The
pea?
Sturt
Yeah.
Desert Pea.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's the one.
it's a red one. It doesn't smell very nice. It just doesn't smell actually at all. It's called a Sturt Desert Pea, but it's very red. So you can if you have any questions about the animals or plants, let me know and
Yeah,
happy to help. Yeah. So. Oh, okay. So where I work, right? My boss, who's like 2IC, he like walks in and he goes, "Oh!" And I'm like, "What the hell's wrong with you?" And I looked around and there's a little snake, no bigger than probably his leg height, and it's the second deadliest snake in Australia and probably the world actually. It's called the eastern brown snake.
Tell me about your crocs.
Oh yeah, so I have seen a wild one in a river. I've actually got the video up there, mate. If you have a look at my
I know he's gonna be.
it's a long video, yeah, and it's about Cairns, and Cairns is like the Great Barrier Reef. So where the Great Barrier Reef is, you have your jellyfish, your crocodiles, and the crocodiles are easily probably as long as from where we're standing sometimes to where these pot plants are, right?
Crazy.
How much miles have you ran all the way to here?
Oh yeah, wow. It's about a 17-hour flight.
in Australia.
So like how many miles would we be from home?
Oh,
Check on your phone maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Hang on.
17.
I don't know if I can do YouTube.
Oh
but-
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, we don't have YouTube, but that's
All
my
right.
kids are forcing me to get
Yeah.
that.
Yep. Cool. Yeah.
TikTok,
Awesome.
definitely.
TikTok. Yeah. What's your TikTok
Yeah,
name?
It's KG Joe.
KG
Yeah.
Joe. Yep.
All right.
LLC. Yep.
G'day, mate.
This is the port of Baltimore, everyone. We've just met Kayla and Amanda and their kids, and we just had some great chats with them. They're beautiful people, and Werner and I are going to explore around here. Look at this beautiful ship, everyone. This would have been, what is it? I think it's I don't know if it's the USS Constellation or the Torsk, or what this one is. Look at this. This is mammoth. Absolutely mammoth. You can see there the 20-foot mark on that waterline, and look at the giant sails on this big girl. There's the ship's guns, and this is in Baltimore, Maryland. What an incredible bit of history this would be. Wow. I just can't tell what the ship is called, but I will put some captions up over my video when I get a chance. Wow. Imagine being on one of these back in the day. That would have been a hard life. Very, very hard life. Check out the thick ropes here that are holding her in. Look at that. Woo! There's my foot and there's the rope length. So very thick rope. The old school rope. Still used this day, I think. This reminds me a lot of one that we used to have in Adelaide called the Buffalo. And the Buffalo unfortunately was taken down, I think. I don't know, it was like a replica of it, but they took it away. But yeah, very, very similar. Very, very similar. Look at that. And we've got Baltimore Harbor in the background. And look at that. That'd have to be about 100 meters maybe. I don't know, maybe not that high, but fairly high up. And here's a look over here at bit more of the Baltimore Harbor, and you can take these dragon boats over to the left. You can take them for a ride if you want to, and also these little sort of gondola-like boats down here as well. And there is a look at the city block, the inner city of Baltimore. And look at that, we've got the Chesapeake over there in the harbour. This is a little memorial to the people of Maryland who perished in 9/11, September the 11th disaster, and that's actually a piece of the World Trade Center, and it's right in front of the World Trade Center here in Maryland. You got the National Aquarium there as well, and of course a Hard Rock Cafe up the top. It's a very beautiful day here today in Baltimore. I would guess temperature wise in Celsius probably maybe about 33, 32 degrees Celsius as a guess. And beautiful summer here in Maryland. Well, thank you everyone for joining me for this episode of Drew's Adventures. I really hope you've enjoyed seeing this brighter side of Baltimore, Maryland. Stay tuned for the next episode. There's a lot more to come. Bye for now.